Hello everyone, it's me, Queen of Scorepoint Land. So today I'm going to teach you some tutorial again, because last time my most popular upload video is about how to make Minecraft Pocket Edition has no control buttons, but it was the old version. So this is the new version. It's gonna be version 1.14.30. Then Minecraft had updated a lot, and the control buttons and the setting changed a lot.
Press open chat to open chat.
So it doesn't seem like before. First, you have to setting it. You tap on this button, the pause button that I circled over here, and you choose setting, and then you choose video in general, and then you see hide hand, hide paper doll, hide HUD. It's not hide GUI anymore. So if you hide, let's say hide hand first. If you hide hand like this, see, it's nothing. Even if you carry anything, it will be nothing, like no hand. But the control button is still here. You tap, so turn off this. And if you want to make the control button gone, you should hide HUD. And see, the control button, like the chat symbol, pause symbol, and joystick, they are all gone. Even jump or sneak button over here is gone too. But you can still tap somewhere over here, somewhere that it belongs to. If you want it back, then tap somewhere that the pause button belongs to on the top, and setting again, and then video. So you turn off this, the control button will come back. So if you want to hide both hand and control button, you should setting and video and turn on hide hand, hide HUD both, and resume game. Look, there's nothing here. No hand, no control button. This is our inventory somewhere, and joystick somewhere. So if you want to bring it back, tap where the pause button belongs to, and setting, and then video, and turn off them. So what about hide paper doll? So if you turn off the hide paper doll, you'll see your small little player skin on over here in the circle, only when you sneak, or maybe only when you run and when you fly. But if you standing and walk, there will be no paper doll over here. So if you don't want to see your little skin over here, then turn on hide paper doll. And let's see, when you run, when you just sneak or you fly, nothing appears here. So let's do it again. If you cannot follow the instruction, maybe I was too fast, I will type the instruction in my description below. I'm gonna turn off hide paper doll. If you want to hide hand, you can see over here, hide hand, hands gone, turn off, hands come back, and hide HUD. Get in here. So let's hide hand and hide HUD. Now finally Minecraft has no control button, but can still walk. If you tap somewhere that the joystick belong to, you can still chat. If you tap somewhere that the chat belong to,
Queen of Score says HUD.
and you can still setting. Yeah. So that's it. Nothing much. That's it. And thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.